Well guys, we're on the Nueces River in South Texas, trolling for spawning white bass. And this is our first trip out with our new action hat we're going to be filming with. Got it from my buddy Rex Del Rey up in Houston, actionhats.com. Been real happy with it. It's comfortable and easy to film with. So let's see if we can catch some white bass. Me. Huh. Oh, that's a decent one. I hadn't seen one pull that hard in a while. That is a gorilla right there. Wow. That's a big old white bass right there now. That's a biggie. Oh, it's a good one. You can tell by the way he hit. Oh, get him in the boat. That's a whopper. Hold him up for that camera over there. Hold him up for that camera.
Look at that belly.
Big one looks like.
Right. Get some freedom.
I think they're both. Oh. Look like twins.
It's all the way over there. He jumped up the water.
Oh,
yours too?
Yep, doubled up. Doubled up. Susie got a good one.
Look at that belly.
Big female full of eggs. Yeah, she's going up here to lay her eggs. We'll make a bunch of babies. He just showed up here. That's a good one.
Huh?
That's a good one.
Big.
Yeah, it's big. Woo!
See the shape of the belly?
Female eggs.
Female?
Yeah.
See, oh, it's big.
Ooh, it looks big. Oh, that's a big.
Oh my God, it's kind of the same one.
Oh, that's a brute. That is a friggin' brute right there now. Hold him out towards me so I can see.
I need a picture of take a picture of first.
Get him on the hook first. yeah.
You got scoop on the fish. That is so crazy.
Oh, it's a good one. Oh yeah. Nice. Ooh, it's a big old fish. Yeah.
That's big.
Yeah, it is. Woo! That's a big old fish. It is big. Yo, that's a pig right there. Big female spawner. Woo, Susan. You talk about a pig. That's the biggest one yet. Oh, he got in your line. Jeez Louise. That is a friggin' brute right there now.